If you want to buy a desktop and are confused whether to buy it branded or assembled, then this video will definitely help you. So without wasting time, let's get started. Branded desktops cost more than assembled desktops with the same configuration. You can buy it ready-made like a laptop, only it is not portable. That's why after buying a branded PC, you may have to compromise with its configuration. We can use it directly after purchasing because it comes with pre-installed Windows. The only problem is that there is very little chance for upgrades, because parts from other brands do not fit in it and its parts are not available outside. Hence, in most of the cases, if it gets damaged, it can be repaired only in the servicing center of its company. This is why the repairing cost of branded PCs is higher. On the other hand, we have to make assembled PC as per our budget and requirements. This is why we do not have to make any compromise with its configuration. We can build it ourselves after watching YouTube or get it built from a computer shop and can easily upgrade it if needed. Parts of any brand fit in it and there are many repairing shops, due to which the cost of repairing it is less. The only problem is that it doesn't come with pre-installed Windows. Only after making it completely, Windows has to be installed, which is a complicated task, and you cannot run it without Windows or other operating system. Similarly, MS Office comes installed in most branded PCs, but in assembled PCs you will have to install it yourself. In a branded PC, all the parts are compatible with each other because it is designed by experts, so that the PC runs for many years without any problem, and the image of the company is good in front of the customer. But in an assembled PC, not all components may be compatible with each other, which theoretically reduces its life. By buying a branded PC, we just get a bill and a warranty card, and if something goes wrong within the warranty period, we just have to go to a servicing center of that company. But in an assembled PC, we have to maintain different bills and warranty cards of different parts, and to claim warranty, we have to go to different servicing centers. And if the servicing center is not in that city, then the part will have to be couriered to the place given by talking to this customer care on the company's website, which will take few days to return. This is all about branded versus assembled PC. Thank you.